Hello guys, how you doing? So I want to ask you first before we continue in this video, please like and subscribe. So I know I have not been uploading videos for the past like 1 week and some days, and the reason is my computer suddenly lost the audio, the sound, and I don't know what happened. So I've been trying anything and everything to try to reinstate its former state of sound, the audio, and it has refused completely. So I can't edit videos without listening and know where to cut and what to do. Like this video, I'm going to upload it very raw, the way it is, the way I'm recording it like this. So I've been trying to check YouTube, HP website, how to detect what is happening, and it says there is no audio device installed. So I tried to use my earphones, it's not working. I don't know what happened, and I've seen it's like some people also have the problems with audio with this Windows 11, but mine is becoming persistent. It's now more than a week. I've tried everything, researched about everything, and it has refused. And I also don't know how to edit using a phone. My phone is also very small. It's not like a big phone that can have very many applications. So I tried to install CapCut, and it couldn't work with my phone because I have a small phone. So I know I really don't know what to do, because I have videos. I have videos like several of them. Like I could upload like 4 days or 5 days if I was to edit, but I've not edited all of them because of that problem of audio. So I've tried checking the drivers, uninstalling. I don't know whether I go back to Windows 10. And that is a gamble that I don't want to do, because if I go back to Windows 10, it means there are certain things I have to lose, and I don't want to. So I don't know, maybe I start now doing videos so raw like this, then upload them. I'm going to try to edit these, just put few things like the introduction logo and all those things that you'll see, but not so much. So for me, not uploading videos, it's because of that problem I'm having. If you know a solution, maybe you can tell me how I can do it. But for now, it's a struggle that I'm having. Anyway, please like this video, subscribe, as I'm looking for ways of resolving this problem. Then I upload videos like I wanted to, consistent. Yes, please like this video, share, and subscribe. My subscribers have not even moved. I am at 115, and I've been at 115 for the past, like, I don't know, 1.5 weeks, because now content is not consistent. It's crazy. Thank you.